This is a very challenging position which involves a lot of responsibility due to the fact that all the children that we care are damaged kids, emotionally and mentally damaged kids. It's very sad to find out that they don't even have access to education, to food, to shelter. So at very early ages, they become survivors.